Do you have a LibreOffice extension that you no longer need? Removing unused extensions can simplify your setup and help keep LibreOffice organized. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove extensions in LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice and select Tools, then open Extensions or Extension Manager, depending on your version. This window shows the extensions currently installed and their enabled or disabled status. Next, look through the list and find the extension you want to remove. If you have several extensions installed, use the search or category options if they're available. Make sure you're selecting the correct extension before removing it. Before removing an extension, you can disable it temporarily if you want to test whether you still need it. Select the extension and choose the option to disable it. This is useful if you're not completely sure whether the extension is still being used. If you're sure you don't need the extension, return to the Extension Manager, select it, and choose Remove or Delete. Take a moment to confirm the removal when LibreOffice asks you to. Some extensions may require LibreOffice to restart before the removal is fully applied. Save your open documents, close LibreOffice, and launch it again. After restarting, the removed extension should no longer appear in the Extension Manager. Finally, test LibreOffice to make sure everything is working normally. Open the application where the extension was previously used and check that your other features still work correctly. So, your unwanted LibreOffice extension has now been removed. And that's how to remove extensions in LibreOffice. Open the Extension Manager, find the extension, disable it if you want to test it first, then remove it and restart LibreOffice when necessary. Regularly reviewing your extensions can help keep LibreOffice clean and focused on the tools you actually use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.